Alright guys, it's been a bit, but I thought I'd do a quick video of us in corn harvest. First, gotta unroll the tarp here. Probably need to put the phone down for this one. Alright, tarp's unfolded. Let's go put what's left in here in the truck. To unload the grain cart, we hit start on our scale. Then we turn on our PTO. Then we open up our gate about half or so. Then we let it dump. You can see there, subtracting about 20,000 pounds, and now we are empty. Right, shut down everything, and then now let's go catch the combine. We just started opening up this field, and I believe my dad's down there somewhere. There goes Dad. Right, Dad just dumped into me. I put just under 19,000 pounds. I'm gonna wait for him to open up these end rows a little bit more, and then we'll start unloading on the go and stuff. Brought the trucks back, and we're gonna harvest for a couple more hours. So I'll probably, after this video, post a quick highlights video, just some short clips I've taken of corn harvest so far. So yeah.